Today we're going to be installing the V-Seal weather stripping. This is a really good seal for around the small gaps that you might have around the door right here. First thing that we're going to do is look at our door, and we're going to be putting it right inside of here, and on the top, and then on the side over here. So, tools that you need for this, really just some way to measure it. I'm going to just be putting it right up against here to measure it to length, and then just a regular household scissors. This has adhesive on it, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to hold up the weather stripping right to the door to measure it to length. So hold it right up there, and then I just go all the way down to the bottom of the door to get the length of it. Once I get there, take my scissors and cut. Next step is you take the flat edge and you just fold it right in half, and you can see how it's all circular right now. And as we do this, it becomes straight and rigid. Next thing that we're going to do with the V side pointed towards this, we're going to just put it right up there and take the adhesive off and push it into place right there to make up that gap. And then I just peel back the adhesive as I push it into place. You do have to watch around the door latches and such that you are not blocking those. And if they are being blocked, you can just cut those out. All right, we're going to do the same thing on the top here and on the other side. Once the weather stripping is in place, we can shut the door.